No overtaking places. Invisible heights and acute curves. Slippery roads, circular squares, near pedestrian crossings, schools, hospitals and gardens, in addition to emergency vehicle lanes. Road turns, bridges and tunnels. All places in which overtaking is prohibited by using traffic signs or traffic marks. No overtaking cases. No overtaking of school buses when stopping in residential areas. When visibility is difficult on the road because of natural elements or emergencies. Police cars, ambulances, internal security forces, civil defense and rescue during emergency cases, and they are using alert and warning devices. A group of stopped cars due to disruption in traffic that does not allow overtaking safely. If the vehicle that is to be overtaking ahead is moving with a speed that makes the completion of overtaking hard. If the vehicle in the back is overtaking another vehicle on the road. When the driver of the vehicle ahead gives a signal of no overtaking. When overtaking, consider the following. It is prohibited for a driver to increase the speed of his vehicle when another vehicle is overtaking. He has to enable others to achieve this overtaking. Follow the traffic guidelines as indicated on any marks placed or engraved on the road. Give way to emergency vehicles, police, internal security forces, civil defense and ambulances, while performing an urgent emergency service with the reduction of speed or a complete stop if necessary. Clear the road immediately. If there are emergency motor vehicles at intersections, junctions or crossroads, vehicles such as police, internal security forces, civil defense, and ambulances, to give way to these passing vehicles without any obstacles. Rules and ethics of overtaking. It is prohibited to increase the speed of a vehicle when another vehicle is overtaking his vehicle. He has to enable others to conduct a safe overtaking. When meeting with another vehicle, the driver of which is to overtake, one has to facilitate the overtaking process by taking the extreme right and reducing the speed of his vehicle. The driver of a vehicle that transports a load and cannot be overtaken because of road conditions and traffic motion has to reduce the speed of his vehicle and drive as much as possible towards the road's end to allow the vehicles behind him to overtake his vehicle safely. Side winds and their effect on overtaking. Side winds are divided into two types. Natural winds. The effect of natural winds differs on vehicles depending on their speed and the closeness of vehicles to barriers and other vehicles on the road, and of course, the sudden reduction in wind speed. Vacuum winds, resulting from the speed of other vehicles. The effects of this type of wind is quite tangible during the overtaking of large vehicles. In such circumstances, the small vehicles are subjected to the pull of large vehicles when the smaller vehicles are overtaking the larger ones. To overcome this problem, hold the steering wheel firmly with both hands and with proper control and confidence.